Hey, what up my cruisers? This is the AZ Cruiser, and in this video we're going to be installing some BH3D badges. So we're going to be putting these on the cruiser. So before we install these tech badges, I just want to give you guys a little history lesson on what the logo and the tech symbol means. So according to Wikipedia, katakana is a Japanese syllabary. And to spell Toyota and katakana, you have to use the three characters which make up the TEQ logo symbol. So, originally Toyota was founded by the owner, Sakichi Toyoda. Sorry if I killed his name. But if you see, you can see right now, Toyota is originally spelled with Toyoda. So why did they change it to Toyota? Well, in Japanese, the T sound, the TA, actually relates to the Japanese lucky number 8. So in Japan, the number 8 is a lucky number. Like in the United States and most of the world, 7 is a lucky number, right? But, I mean in Western society. But in Japan, number 8 is actually the lucky number, not number 7. So basically, the 10 strokes it took of a pen to write Toyota, and they changed it to T, which just makes the TEQ logo. That's why they changed it to Toyota instead of Toyoda. So, in essence, that's why you see all the cars with Toyota now, because they wanted to use 8 strokes instead of 10, because 8 in Japanese is a lucky number. That's basically the reason why. So, that's the reason why I decided to use the TEQ logos. I mean, I'm not Japanese, but I could use all the luck I can get, so I put the TEQ logo on there. So there you go. So check it out. I'll put the link in the description. Alright, now let's get back to installing the logos. So first we're going to start with the rear. As you can see, this is the Lexus LX450. I got the Lexus badge on, and we're going to replace it with this one. Nice looking 3D printer badge. It's like black with like some silver lining on it. So we're just gonna, I believe this is glued down because it comes with it comes with 3M tape, double-sided tape on the back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this, maybe even this. We're gonna peel it off slowly. So let's see what happens. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. It's coming off right now. There's a gap right there on the top part, so now we're gonna do the bottom part. Whew, see all the dirt coming out? 30 years of dirt right there. Okay, it's pretty much loose right there, and boom.
Let's go.
Oh, there is holes right there. Okay, so there's like 2 little holes right there from the old Lexus badge. Wow. So no holes over here. If you want, you could probably silicone these. I'm probably not going to. I'm probably just gonna remove the rest of these, and then I'll get back to you when I'm done. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. So I cleaned it up with some Goo Gone, sprayed it a little bit, wiped it down. And now last step before I try to stick in the decal on the badge is I'm gonna wipe it down with some alcohol padding. Just wanna put some alcohol on here so it'll stick as best as it can. Just like that. Get all the dirt off. Dirt is the enemy for any adhesive. So if you're trying to stick anything on, dirt is the enemy. So get rid of as much dirt as you can. So now we're ready to apply the badge. I got rid of the tape cover. Now we're gonna try to put it on here. All right.
So when you're putting on the decal, guys, make sure you push down for at least 20 to 30 seconds so the badge can adhere to the surface.
Yeah, there's the TEQ badge. It is on. There you go, from that to that. What you think? Now we're gonna do the front. So for the front, guys, we got a little problem. On the website there's instructions, so he recommends PH3D printing recommends you can keep it on here and remove it, but it's a lot easier. So I have these zip tied because my rig is busted. So we're just gonna cut these zip ties off and put new ones on next time. Here we go. Took that one off, and now we'll put this on in my room. So here we are, guys. Got the grill. There's like 3 bolts in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're gonna unbolt them and put the new decal on. So you just need a Phillips screwdriver. Take the old logo off. And we're just gonna do all 3 of them. Then I'll show you what happens after. We're just gonna go over the logo area with some alcohol wipes. You can also use rubbing alcohol and a paper towel if you don't have one of these. Just gonna make sure it's as clean as possible. We're gonna peel these off, and then when we stick it on, we're gonna line the bolts up and then tighten the bolts in, just so it's secure. All right. So I found a smaller screwdriver, smaller Phillips head. I just tighten them down, and now we're ready to put this on the front. Yeah, it's looking good. Now we're just gonna trim these pieces off and show you how it looks. Everything on.
Well, there you go, my cruisers. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.